Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, but it does not really matter. I just wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. All we have to do is to open the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset settings and confirm it with OK. So here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option works, because our device asks us about the location, about the notifications. It shows you, let's say, a tutorial or the information about the camera, so the flash shot, the selfie gesture, the skin tone, which you can set, etc. And finally, the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.